Hello there. In this video I will show you how to install VScode and Python. First step, we will install VScode. Open Firefox or Google Chrome, then search VScode. Okay, and click download here. In this tutorial, it is only for Windows, but if you have Linux or Mac, then it should be similar steps. Click on downloads, then it should automatically start installing the VScode. Okay, let's open File Explorer, navigate to Downloads folder, and double click on VScode, Setup File. Okay, click on I accept the agreement and hit next, and click next. Click on this, create a desktop icon so that we can access the app and we don't have to search it every time. So click next and click install and give it a moment. Okay, as you can see here, the installation finished. And click finish and VScode should automatically open by itself. Okay, let's minimize VScode and go back to the browser, open a new tab, and let's install Python on this Windows. Okay, search Python and it should be python.org, or you can just click on the links that I will put in the description. Click here, downloads, and this might change in the future, but always it is the latest version. So click download Python, the latest version. Okay, let's open File Explorer again and double click on Python file here. Okay, click on install now and click yes. And give it a moment to install. Okay, as you can see, the setup was successful and you can close this. Okay, now let's install Python extension on VScode. I just maximized the VScode application, and on VScode you can install extensions by clicking on this. And search for Python. It should be one of the top. Okay, click here. Then I already installed, but I can show you again. I will uninstall and install it. You will click install, and it might take a few moments. Okay, it seems like it is working. Okay, let's test it. Click on open folder and choose where you want to store the file, that the folder that we will use to test VScode with Python. I will select documents, right click to create a new file, and come here and click on folder. I will name it test, then select folder. Okay, it seems like it opened the folder that we want. Okay, here, click on the first icon to create a file and name it something. I will name main. Then we have to have by as extension at the end of the name that you give the file. It has to be by for Python, and hit enter. Okay, I will write one line of Python code to test if everything is working fine. And okay, to save it manually, you can save a file by holding down Control S on your keyboard. But if you want to save every time automatically, click on File here and scroll down until you see Autosave. And if you select this, it will save after you stop typing it. Okay, and let's run this code by clicking on this button, top right. Okay, and it is working. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment this video. Thank you.